All right, 1.1.3, we have a quadratic inequality, and that is 4x squared minus 1 is less than 0. So how do we solve this quadratic inequality? We will have to take the minus 1 from the left hand side to the right hand side. We'll do that by adding 1 and also adding 1 on the right hand side. This will be equal to 0. So 4x squared will be less than positive 1, because 0 plus 1. And then we'll divide by 4 on both sides to get rid of the 4. So also divide by 4 here. This will cancel that, such that we will have x squared less than 1 over 4. So to get rid of the square, we will have to find the square root of x squared, and if we do that, we have to do that here as well, and we have to get the positive and the negative root of 1 over 4. So what's the positive and negative root of 1 over 4? That is plus or minus 1 over 2. So now we have x is greater than negative 1 over 2, but less than positive 1 over 2. So this is how we solve our quadratic inequality. Okay, up next we have 1.1.4.